Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Andrew Long, here on the Washer channel, and here we are at the David Jones. Millie washer. German washer. Washer and dryer. Everything's not open yet. Honeycomb Care. See the logo? Thing open up, see the water. It's dried out, made out of material or something, as usual. Open the lid and see the pre-wash softener. Goes along here. Just you can use a liquid detergent you like. So same thing. And I want to show you the Simpson easy loader, 5 kilos, and a different capacity, 6 kilos. And you must turn on lights when you are doing this. Rotate this way only, and you can tumble. There he goes. There we go. Same thing. Fish and pike dryer. And there's some LED displays. Samsung. Buttons and everything. Yeah, you can use items in our wash. All the tub. Again, the Fish and Pike Wash Mart. Liquid detergent dispenser. You can use a liquid detergent. Same thing as Quick Smart. Again, Fabric Smart. And there goes the Fish and Pike 8 kilo dryer. Bosch Classic. And don't forget Asco. Same thing as the direct drive washers. And we go Bosch again, back to the look at the Simpsons. They are available in black, but see, it's translucent. Agitator right in the middle of the tub. Liquid detergent goes here. Bosch again. Electrolux. Unlike in the US. Same thing again. Electrolux dryer. Sensor dry. 5.5 kilograms. 6.5 kilograms. And the flex trade condenser, 7 kilos. And now I want to check it. Fisher & Paykel Clean Smart. Detergent goes here. High efficiency only. Fabric softener. Wash boosts. High efficiency. Also use low water wash system. Lid lock. It doesn't have an agitator. Instead of using an impeller. Some washers have a soft closing lid, tough and scratch resistant glass. And don't forget to more Smart Eco, 8.5 kilos. But it has an agitator and has a recirculation to right in the same thing. This one still has an agitator in the middle. And here goes with the detergent drawer. I didn't open game again. Bosch. I don't know there's no washer, it's a dishwasher. So again, Samsung 8 kilos. Fisher & Paykel Quick Smart. Still an agitator in the middle. Same thing. Well, this one is not available at this moment. But the Simpson Easy said 5.5 kilos. Does have an agitator, but it has a different color, and then there's different lid but except it has a opaque thingy. So anyway, guys, wrap it up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and favorite video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye for now.